Hi everybody, this is Linda, and welcome back to Hands That Cook. Today I'm going to make apple pie bread, and I used 1 can, and this is apple caramel of pie filling, and I'm going to mash it up. And then I'm going to slice 1 large apple and chop it up and add it to this pie filling. And I'm going to set it aside. Then I'll be back. Alright, now in a separate bowl, I've got 1 box of yellow cake mix, 1 cup of self-rising flour, and 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon. And then I'll bring you back. Alright, in this pink bowl, I'm going to beat 4 eggs. Well, whoop. I'll bring you back after I've beaten them. Right now I have put those 4 lightly beaten eggs in with my applesauce, apple pie filling, and apples. Now I want you to spray 2 loaf pans and heat your oven to 325, and then I'll bring you back. Alright guys. Let's see. I whisked my cake mix and my cinnamon and my self-rising flour together. Now I'm going to fold in the apples and the 4 eggs. And I've already sprayed my pans, my loaf pans. I'll bring you back when I get this incorporated. Alright. I got this all mixed up, and I'm going to put them in my 2 pans. Then I'm going to bake them at 325 for anywhere from 35 to 45 minutes, and I'll bring you back. Mix that up real well. It has a tendency for the flour to stay on the bottom. Hi, we're back. And my bread took 42 minutes. My apple pie bread, and this is a 9x5. These are 9x5 pans. So if you want yours to rise higher, and when Sam had to help me when I put the batter in, it was less than half full on each of them, and I let this cool about 15 minutes. About that, I had a battery change. But anyway, if you want yours higher, than this, use a smaller baking pan. Like I said, these were 9 by 5. And I ran a knife around the outside of each loaf and before I turned it over. And although the recipe didn't call for it, I sprinkled some nuts on top. And as soon as this cools enough for us to sample some, we'll be back. Hi, we're back. Now, I use Granny Smith apples, 1 apple that I chopped up. But you can use any kind you want. Pink Lady, Red Delicious, Golden Delicious, Fiji, any type you want to use. And I'm going to cut Sam a piece. I'm going to show you how it looks. Whoops. Let me get in close here. And we're going to get him a fork and let him taste it.
What's it called? Apple bread?
Apple pie bread.
Apple pie bread. Well, never had that. It all sounds good. Tender in it. I mean, soft. My mouth ain't that big. Tastes like apple pie.
Does it?
A little crust. I like that crust on the outside. And the nuts add to it. What are those, pecans or walnuts?
I've got a mixture on this one of walnuts and pecans because I didn't have enough pecans. But the other one has all walnuts.
Very good. It'd go good with a cup of coffee or some milk like I have here.
Would you recommend it?
Highly. Yeah. This is very good.
Is it sweet enough?
For me, but I don't really want it sweet. And it's definitely not too sweet. You know, I'm a diabetic.
Yeah, I know.
I'm not supposed to eat sweet. Yeah, very good cake.
Well, it's not, it's a bread.
A bread? Well, it's got a real light texture. I like that. It tastes like apples. Similar to banana bread, except it's lighter. But I do like that crust on the outside, you know.
All right, that's good.
Yeah, y'all try this. You'll like it. I believe.
Now this is an easy recipe, and it makes 2 loaves. So you've got 1 to have now and 1 to freeze or 1 to give away. And have 1 to have now and 1 to give away to a neighbor or a friend. But I think you'll enjoy it. I really do. So before we go, I want to thank Julia for my cookbook because I really love it. Thank you so much. All right, guys. Hit the like and subscribe if you like this video. And have a good weekend. Have a great football weekend. So until we come again, till I'm back again, You all please take care, and God bless every one of you.